In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a job estimate for free on Square Invoices. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to your dashboard, click on Invoices and Payments over here on the left, and then you want to click on Invoices. Inside here, you want to look for Estimates, and you want to click on Estimates. Now, from this page, you'll be able to create an estimate by clicking this button over here, and then of course, you're going to have to put in the details for the customer, so I'm just going to put on myself over here for the example, and of course, you can put in the title, you can put the ID, message, etc. You have a bunch of different settings. Of course, you can put that in and then click on next top right. Now in here is where you can basically set when it's due. So payment details due over here. I'm going to do in 14 days, and then service date is going to be, I'm just going to do the 1st of June 2026. You can also add on items over here. So I'm going to click on add items here, and I'm just going to basically put on this course I have over here, and I'm also going to add a hat just for this example. Now, as you can see here, the total is $28. I can now go ahead and add a discount if I want to as well. For example, if I want the estimate to be maybe like free, I could go and do custom discount, and I could give it a name over here, and of course I'd do amount, and I would do amount of 28, so the exact same amount as it's over here. I'm not going to do that right now, but of course if you want to make it free, you can do that as well. And then you can go and add a payment schedule if you wanna, or add a package if that's relevant. And then whenever you've done that, you can just click on the next button top right, and as you can see, you can now send this using email, share the link, or something like that. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.